laying low.
Happy New Year, happy 2025.
A place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains.
Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Henrietta M. A very warm welcome to my new subscribers and the oldie but the goodies. What do you do, baby? Welcome to a brand new vlog. Please like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Happy New Year, happy 2025. May the good Lord grant you with your heart desires. May everything and anything that you need, may you receive in the name of Jesus. May it be good grades, may it be a new car, may it be money, may it be a house, yonke into, may it be a job, yonke into. May we even live as testimonies that God uyaphila, uNkulunkulu uyaphila, and He is in the neighborhood. Let's get to the vlog. Hi guys.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me. Taking my time, giving to me. Paint my life into a masterpiece. Coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I want
So let's go into laundry. It's been a while ever since I've done laundry. Everything is dirty, like the laundry basket is full, and also the duvet and stuff. Let's go into laundry. What's up, besties? Today is a Tuesday, so now I have to fold laundry and clean my room. Yesterday I didn't have strength. Oh, that laundry killed me. So now I have to fold it and clean my room. Oh, kasengalamba ngiyingane. But I have rested. So good morning. Let's go and make wheat pigs that we can come and fold laundry in. Yeah.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope.
Obviously, it was quite a bit of an intense occasion with it being my mother's birthday.
You'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. I hope you still want me, I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down?
Sana kasi kalamba ngiyingane. Today is a Sunday. We don't have electricity since Friday night. Yeah, since Friday night. Lucky enough, Friday we were already done cooking, and then Saturday, which is yesterday, we ate bread. And then today is a Sunday and we can't eat bread, so I'm cooking kamullo kantle. That's what I'm doing, but I'm only cooking the meat. I can't cook pap there. It's about pots. I don't know how to do it. I'm just cooking the meat there outside.
Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down.
Sana, what happened to me yesterday? It's not make sure. We didn't have electricity from Friday until yesterday. And yesterday, I was cooking kamullo outside, me. And I didn't know that I'm allergic to the fire because it was my first time doing that. My under eyes are so sana, and my skin here, it had the pores. I was like, nka skin se bulegile ne. Yeah, that's how my skin is right now. It's just that this filter helped, came through for me, but it's not looking good. And it was my first and last time doing that.